Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathelite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 20G from chapter Cylinder, Cone and Sphere. So starting with question number 4, a solid is in the form of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 8 centimeters and the height of cone is equal to its radius. Find in terms of pi the volume of the solid. It's very easy, ठीक है. Volume find करना है solid का. There is a cone which is placed over a hemisphere. Okay. So let us draw the diagram. There is a cone, ठीक है, standing on a hemisphere. So there is this cone which is standing on a hemisphere, okay, with both their radii being equal to 8 centimeters. दोनों का रेडियस सेम है, ठीक है, इसका भी एंड इसका भी, तो दोनों के लिए सेम आर लेते हैं. इट इज़ 8 सेंटीमीटर्स एंड द हाइट ऑफ कोन इज इक्वल टू इट्स रेडियस. सो ये कोन का जो हाइट है इट इज़ इक्वल टू इट्स रेडियस. तो रेडियस ऑफ द कोन क्या है, 8 सेंटीमीटर्स है, मतलब हाइट ऑफ द कोन इज ऑल्सो 8 सेंटीमीटर्स, ठीक है ना. सो फाइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ पाई द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड. इट्स वेरी ईजी. इसका मुझे एच एन आर पता है, हेमिस्फीयर का भी आई नो द रेडियस, सो इट इज़ ईजी टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड. इट इज़ वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. We have all the details. And volume of the hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. So let us write down the given information now. So we'll take common r for both the cone and the hemisphere. ठीक है. So for the cone and the hemisphere, the radius is the same. Therefore, let r be the radius for both the cone and the hemisphere. ठीक है. So therefore, for hemisphere, what do we have? We have r is equal to 8 centimeters. It is given. Now coming to the cone. For the cone, what are we given? R is equal to 8 centimeters and also we are given the height of the cone is equal to its radius. So height of the cone is equal to radius, ठीक है, which is equal to 8 centimeters. Therefore h is equal to 8 centimeters. Now we have all the information required to find the volume of the solid. Okay, so now we'll find the volume of the solid. Now we know that volume of the solid is volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. We have all the details about the cone as well as the hemisphere. So volume of the solid is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. Okay, we'll substitute the formulae. So 1/3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, don't forget hemisphere का formula is 2/3. By mistake you might take 4/3. Okay, so 1/3 कॉमन आ जाएगा, पाई भी कॉमन ले सकते हैं, इवन आर स्क्वायर. सो आर स्क्वायर भी ब्रैकेट के बाहर लेते हैं, ठीक है. देर इज वी हैव टेकन सेम आर फॉर बोथ ऑफ दीज बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ देम हैव सेम रेडियस. ओके, नाउ 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर कॉमन हो गया, एच इज लेफ्ट इन द ब्रैकेट एंड ओवर हियर 2. ओके, आर. नाउ सब्सटीट्यूटिंग द फॉर्मूले वैल्यूज, सॉरी. नाउ पाई को एज इट इज़ रखो बिकॉज यहाँ पे बोला गया फाइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ पाई. ओके, सो पाई एज इट इज़ रखेंगे, वील नॉट सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यू एट ऑल. एंड ओवर हियर आर स्क्वायर इज, आर इज़ 8, सो आर स्क्वायर 8 × 8 हो जाएगा. एच इज़ 8 प्लस 2 × r, दैट इज़ 2 × 8. ओके, सो 8 × 8 gives 64 pi upon 3. ऑल राइट, इनटू 8 + 16 हो जाएगा, करेक्ट। सो 64 पाई अपॉन 3 into 8 + 16 is nothing but 24. 3 8s are 24. 8 into 64 हो जाएगा 512. So that is nothing but 512 pi. Okay, and we are given in centimeters, so centimeter cube हो जाएगा, ठीक है। So 512 pi centimeter cube is the volume of the solid. You have to write down the final statement. Let's check the next question. Question number 5. The diameter of a sphere is 6 centimeters. It is melted and drawn into a wire of diameter 0.2 centimeters. Find the length of the wire. So there is a sphere and a wire given to you. Okay, so एक sphere है जिसका diameter बोला गया है 6 centimeters, ठीक है। D is 6 centimeters, तो R हो जाएगा 3 centimeters. It is melted and drawn into a wire of diameter 0.2 centimeters. Now keep in mind, wire is in the form of a cylinder, ठीक है। It is cylindrical in shape. So if you look carefully at a wire, कैसा होता है? It is like this, ठीक है। So it is a cylinder, but it has very less diameter. Okay, and its length is long, so we have to find the length of the wire, that is the height of the cylinder, ठीक है। keep in mind wire is in the form of a cylinder, ठीक है, cylindrical shape होता है उसका। so diameter बोला गया है, it is 0.2 centimeters. D बोला गया है, so I'll take capital D for wire, ठीक है। यहाँ पे स्मॉल लेटर्स लिया है. यू कैन ऑल्सो नंबर, यू कैन टेक D1 R1 एंड D2 R2 फॉर दिस. We have to find the height, that is the length. Okay, so let's take capital L. Length find करना है, that is nothing but height of the cylinder. We are given diameter, मतलब रेडियस हम लोग easily find कर सकते हैं. रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा 0.1 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है. Now this sphere is melted to form this wire. Okay, मतलब volume of this sphere is equal to the volume of the wire. Okay, so sphere का जो volume है that is equal to the volume of the wire. We have to just substitute the formula. ठीक है. Volume of sphere क्या हो जाएगा 4/3 pi r cube. I know r, so I can easily find the volume. Coming to volume of the wire, it is pi r square h. I know pi r square, r I know, but h नहीं पता है, that is L नहीं पता है, you have to find L. So here we have 4/3 pi r cube equal to pi r square L. ठीक है. h is taken L over here because length of wire बोला गया है. You can also take h, okay, it does not matter. So we'll shift everything on the other side, we can easily find L. ठीक है. All other are knowns. Okay, so it's very easy, just that volume of sphere is equal to the volume of the wire. Now the wire is cylindrical in shape, keep that in mind. Now I have written down the information for the sphere and the wire. For the wire we have taken small d and small r. You have to write down the statement. D is given, r will be 3 centimeters. Same thing for wire. For wire we know it is cylindrical in shape, so I have written down in brackets cylinder, the diameter, radius and length be capital D, capital R and capital L respectively. D is given to us, R मिल जाएगा easily. Now we have to find the length of the wire. We'll get that from the volumes. ठीक है. We know volume of sphere is equal to the volume of the wire, which is volume of the cylinder. Okay, so we'll write down the statement. Volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the wire, because this sphere is melted, okay, and it is recast to form this wire. So this wire is nothing but cylindrical in shape. Now volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, and this is pi r square L we have taken over here. You can take h, it does not matter. L फाइंड करना है, रेस्ट ऑल वी नो, सो वील कीप L on one side and we'll shift everything on the other side. 4/3 pi r cube, pi r square will go in the denominator. ठीक है, pi will get cancelled, so what we are left with is 4r cube upon 3r square. Alright, so L is equal to 4 into r का वैल्यू, स्मॉल r we know is 3, so r cube है 3 into 3 into 3 upon 3 into this r is 0.1, r square है, so 0.1 into 0.1. 3 will get cancelled, so 4 into 3 into 3, that is 4 9s are 36 upon 0.1 into 0.1. Now don't multiply 0.1 into 0.1. 0.1 is nothing but 1 upon 10, so 1 upon 10, this is also 1 upon 10. Denominator में there is denominator, then this denominator goes in the numerator. Keep that in mind. Denominator में denominator, that goes in the numerator. Okay, so this will go in the numerator, these two 10s. Okay, so 36 into 10 into 10 upon 1 है, 1 into 1 gives 1. So L is equal to 3600. Okay, 3600 centimeters, because everything is in centimeters, so L is 3600 centimeters. You can keep it in centimeters, it is not wrong, because over here it is not mentioned. Find the length of the wire सिर्फ बोला गया है, in centimeters or meters it is not mentioned, so you can keep it in centimeters, or if you want to convert it into meters, it's all right. So dividing this by 100 we get 36 meters. ठीक है, so और L is equal to 36 meters. Okay, you have to show the working divided by 100 and then convert it to meters. So you have to write on the final statement, the length of the wire is 3600 centimeters or 36 meters. Let's read the next question. Question number 6, determine the ratio of the volume of a cube to that of a sphere which will exactly fit inside the cube. Now this is a hint, okay? Sphere, okay, we are trying to fit it inside the cube, it is exactly fitting inside the cube. So we have to find the ratio of the volume of the cube to the sphere. So there is a cube, okay? All sides are equal. Now inside this cube we are trying to fit a sphere. Okay, there is a sphere. Now this sphere, okay, it is fitting exactly inside the cube, means इसका जो diameter है it is equal to the length of this side of the cube. Okay, ये क्यूब है, अगर हम लोग उसको ऐसे देखेंगे, ठीक है, क्यूब है, इसके अंदर स्फीयर ऐसे फिट हो रहा है एग्जैक्टली, मतलब ये जो एजेस टच कर रहे हैं, दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज द डायमीटर ऑफ द क्यूब. ठीक है, सॉरी, डायमीटर ऑफ द स्फीयर. नाउ ये जो लेंथ है दैट इज नथिंग बट द लेंथ ऑफ द क्यूब, करेक्ट? दिस इज नथिंग बट द लेंथ ऑफ द क्यूब. ओके, this means that diameter of the sphere is equal to the length of the cube. Okay, so diameter over here is nothing but twice the radius of the sphere. All right, so this means twice the radius is equal to the length of the cube. Why am I trying to relate the radius with the length of the cube? Because we have to find the ratio of the volume of cube to that of the sphere. Now volume of cube पहले बोला गया, so volume of cube upon volume of sphere. Volume of cube क्या होता है? It is L cube and volume of sphere is what? 4/3 pi r cube. So we have to relate L and R somehow. Okay, only then you can get it cancelled. okay, because we have to find the ratio, so obviously we have to cancel out the alphabets, okay, only to get the number we have to find the ratio. So volume of cube is L cube and this is 4 by 3 pi r cube. L length of the cube, okay, and R, L and R के बीच में relation build up करना है. We know D is equal to L, correct? Diameter of this sphere is equal to the length of the cube, and that means 2R is equal to length of the cube. So in place of length I can write down 2R, okay, in place of L I can write down 2R, this whole thing ka cube. So eventually R cube will get cancelled, okay. So this is why we are trying to relate L and R over here. It's very easy, sphere is fitting, okay, exactly inside the cube. So this means that the diameter of this sphere is equal to the length of the cube. Now diameter is what? Twice radius, okay. So 2R is equal to L, alright. So why we are doing this? Because we have to find the ratio of the volumes. Now volumes क्या होता है? So volume over here is L cube, this is 4 by 3 pi r cube, okay. So we want to cancel out the alphabets over here, alright. So this is why we are relating R and L over here. So now let us write down the given. Now I have written down the statement that we are supposed to write, okay. For the sphere which fits exactly inside the cube, the diameter of the sphere is equal to length of the side of the cube. For cube we know all sides are equal, so सबका length equal होता है, okay. So L is the length of the cube and D is the diameter, okay. Also you can write down the statement that let L be the side of the cube and let D and R be the radius, diameter and radius of the sphere respectively. So I'm just writing down that statement. Write down that initial statement. For the cube, let L be the length of the side, okay, or let L be the side of the cube. And for ये दूसरे लाइन पे आएगा, for the sphere let D and R, that is D and R, small d and small r, be the diameter and radius respectively, okay. Then start with this statement. Now diameter of sphere is equal to length of the cube, that is 2R is equal to L. Now keep this in mind. Now we'll come to the volume. So we have to find the ratio of volume of cube to that of the sphere. So volume of cube पहले बोला गया है, then that of the sphere. So this will come in the numerator and that in the denominator. So volume of cube is equal to L cube and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, okay. रेशियो फाइंड करना है, सो मैं यहाँ पे ही डायरेक्टली कर देती हूँ, डिवाइडेड बाय, ये डिवाइडेड बाय आ गया, ठीक है. दिस इज़ नथिंग बट L क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय 4 by 3 pi r क्यूब. व्हेन आई टर्न दिस डिविजन इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या हो जाएगा? रेसिप्रोकल. सो दिस विल गो इन द न्यूमरेटर, रेस्ट ऑल विल कम इन द डिनोमिनेटर, ओके. नाउ L is what? It is 2R, ठीक है. So 2R the whole thing का क्यूब, don't forget this whole thing, even 2 का क्यूब लेना पड़ेगा. So 3/4 pi r cube. So 2 का क्यूब will give 8 and r का क्यूब will give r cube into 3/4 pi r cube, okay. So r cube cancel हो गया, 4 2s are, that is nothing but 6/pi, okay. pi is what? 22 upon 7, that is 6 upon 22 upon 7 हो जाएगा. Denominator में denominator that goes in the numerator, so that is nothing but 6 upon 22. 7 will go in the numerator. 2 3s are 2 11s are, so this is 21 upon 11. So volume of cube, okay, upon volume of sphere is 21 upon 11, or you can write it like this, 21 is to 11. Okay, so final statement लिखना पड़ेगा, volume of cube to that of sphere is equal to 21 is to 11.